The double top and double bottom patterns are common chart patterns in Forex trading that can signal potential reversals in price trends. These patterns are observed on price charts and are considered important tools in technical analysis for identifying potential entry and exit points. Double top pattern. The double top pattern forms after an uptrend and consists of two peaks, high points, that are roughly at the same level, separated by a trough, low point, between them. The peaks create a resistance level that the price fails to break through on the second attempt. The double top pattern suggests that buyers are losing their momentum and selling pressure is increasing. A break below the trough between the two peaks can signal a potential reversal of the uptrend into a downtrend. Double bottom pattern. The double bottom pattern forms after a downtrend and consists of two troughs, low points, that are roughly at the same level, separated by a peak, high point, between them. The troughs create a support level that the price fails to break below on the second attempt. The double bottom pattern suggests that sellers are losing their momentum, and buying pressure is increasing. A break above the peak between the two troughs can signal a potential reversal of the downtrend into an uptrend. It's important to wait for confirmation of the pattern. For a double top pattern, confirmation often comes when the price breaks below the trough between the two peaks. For a double bottom pattern, confirmation occurs when the price breaks above the peak between the two troughs. An increase in trading volume as the pattern forms and during the breakout can provide additional confirmation of the reversal. Traders often measure the distance from the peak/trough to the trough or peak and use this measurement to estimate the potential price movement after the breakout. The longer the pattern takes to form, the more significant the potential reversal may be. Not all double top or bottom patterns result in successful reversals. False signals can occur, so traders should use these patterns in conjunction with other technical indicators and consider the overall market context. It's important to remember that while double top or bottom patterns can be valuable tools for traders, they are not foolproof and should be used as part of a comprehensive trading strategy.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free economic calendar? In MetaTrader 4, go to Market tab and search for Porsage. You can use Porsage News utility for free.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Porsage Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.